Today I am reviewing this dual shoe drawer. I really like it. I like the look. I like the kind of barn door look to it. You can see one's going up, one's going down, and it's really nice and easy to use. It was pretty easy to assemble. It is like manufactured wood, but it's pretty high quality overall. Has the little legs that go out right there to the side. They seem sturdy. Yeah, it's mounted to the wall here. It comes with brackets to do so. I do like this extra bracket it has for some more rigidity, and it gives it a nice look. You also have these two shelves up top. You can see I did chip a little bit of the wood, so you can see how that looks, but overall not bad. Nice place to put various things. Nice drawer pulls, and in here you have your shoes, and that's the cool part about it. You can have all of your shoes there in both of them, and it's easy to use. It did come with two holes to put like some extra hooks here, which I didn't really see the point to. Overall, fairly easy to assemble. Took me like an hour, hour and a half. Just followed the directions. The trickiest part was with these shelves. This bracket right here is a little, not my favorite bracket. You can see it has these little stops here, and then you put the other parts of the shelves in here, and then the other one slides in here. But overall, this one seems to just want to stick out slightly. But yeah, everything's working good on it. Very happy with it. Most of all is how narrow it is. You see, it doesn't take up much space. So when we're working here, and we have this entryway, it's kind of wasted space right here, but we're able to have enough room for everything to go in between and still have a nice piece and utilize the space. And it's a shoe rack, but it's not ugly because they're behind these drawers, and it's especially nice with a kid because he can easily get his shoes out of here, and he likes it, which is makes him a little more independent. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.